Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I think this is the first official video because I'm not counting my last video as an official video, as weird as that sounds. But this video is the video I try to put in more effort and make sure this does well. So welcome. So I got a DM from my friend, and basically what he was telling me was that um a new broker called Headway was starting up a challenge, and this challenge they were going to give you $111. Okay, and that $111 they were going to allow you trade it without any registration. Just you have to open an account and they will give you $111. So I was like, okay, because obviously we are all struggling traders, like we are trying to get our funds up, like the capital. And something about me, I don't like flips. I don't like turning like $10 to $100. I believe it's possible, but I don't think that's like the right way to trade. So I was like, okay, cool. And he sent me the link and I registered, and to my surprise I got the $111. Okay, and this, what this does is that they will allow you to trade the $111, and if you make any profits they will allow you to take the profits and they will take back their $111. I feel like it's just a way of giving back to traders, and since they are new they just wanted to do something kind, I guess. So I was like, okay, this is something that is new and I would like to document my journey. So this was where the idea of this came up. So I decided to take on the challenge with my full chest, and yeah, let's see how it goes. And something about me, you should know, I don't do my analysis on Sunday. Like, I have a whole trading plan, okay, and I stick by it. And what I do, I analyze my trade from Monday evenings. So I basically don't trade Monday London session, New York session at all. So like in the evening on Mondays, I analyze my charts and I see the pairs I want to take for the week. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Let's get into it.
We'll be starting with USD Now, on a daily time frame, this has been bearish, you know, making lower lows. So, I'm only looking to sell this market. Alright. Now, I marked out like a major zone right here, but it has come to retest that, had a little bit consolidation right here, and it has broken below that. So what I'll just be looking for is for a little bit of a retest right here, because I cannot just enter it here, and this is Monday night, by the way. So I think throughout the night we'll have a bit of retracements right here, and then we'll get that sell. Second pair I'll be looking at is Euro JPY. Euro JPY, it's bullish, unlike France. Now this has been making higher highs. It just spiked up from here itself. So I'll be waiting for like a pullback to around this area, this demand zone here. So something like this comes here, then I want it to give me something like a quick double bottom on the 15-minute time frame for me to know, okay, yes, it's about to head up. Then I'll be taking this market for a buy somewhere around here. Okay, so we'll just wait. Then next is GBP NZD. Now this is bullish as well, having a little bit of a pullback. As you can see, it's literally smashed here then pull back to this area, this demand zone. But I don't think it's going to start buying from here because this bearish engulfing candle is way too big. So I think it might, go lower for a little bit more, like it might reach this particular part here. So I'll be looking at this market. If I can see something like this, then a quick retest here in this zone, I'll buy this market. Then on to NZD USD. This, it's actually, I'm looking for a sell here. So for our bearish, so bearish as you can see. But now, like this was the previous um lower low, but it came to retest this zone, first touch, second touch, and this touch there. So this is the respected area. This is my marked out zone here, is the respected area. So I'll be looking for it to react from here. If it doesn't, it's fine, I'll look for another trade. Same thing with GBP JPY. No, this I was looking to enter this for a buy at this zone here. Then the last one is NZD card. This also, like NZD USD, I was waiting for it to like get to this zone and react here for me to enter for a sell. But it's all good. If it wants to keep on buying, it's fine as well, because here it has been bearish, broke below this, and it's coming to retest, but it's way above right now, so I'm not looking to enter this trade. So this is Monday evening, and I like doing my analysis on Monday evening. So tomorrow I'll see you. Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday morning. I think it's around 7 o'clock, 7:12, 12 minutes after 7. So the pair USD didn't get as high as did not get that pullback like I expected it to. Euro GPY, it's falling, you know. I'm not going to do anything, I'm still waiting for it to get to this point. UPNZD, um I told you yesterday, right, that it might not sell from here, so we're expecting it to drop all the way to this point right here. This is a very big zone actually, so it might start from here. Support, resistance. So here is a very good zone. So if I start seeing reactions from here, I'm going to enter a buy from here. NZD is next. Now this pair absolutely crushed my zone and scale trades. Now if you look closely here, there's like a support, there's a zone here. So this might actually be coming to like retest this. Do you get? So we'll be looking at the chart here for this week, looking at what goes on. If I see something like a break here, here, a quick retest to this zone here, then it's going to drop, because overall this is still a downtrend, I believe. Now GBP is still dropping. Shall still from here, but not here. Okay, if it's not here, then we'll wait till it comes here, then look for our entry signal. Then NZD card is out of my trade I'll be looking at this week, so I'll just move this to the bottom, okay, because I'm not looking to trade this anymore, because now it has broken above this and this is giving me a bullish structure and I'm looking to sell. So that's it. Then I'm prepared to go to class. If I catch any trade in school, I'll just like maybe screen record it on my phone. If I'm at home though, then I'll make like a quick video on how I'm entering. Alright. Okay, welcome back. Uh, I just came back from class, and yeah, this is our first trade of the week. There'll be screenshots attached to the screen. Like, let's go through our pairs. On this USD CHF, no pullback, so no trade basically. Then Euro JPY, I mean, it's at that point where I want it to be, and yeah, it's giving me what I want. But I just feel like GBP NZD is cleaner. Do you get? Like, I've taken this already. We had this rejection around here, okay, and on the 15 minutes time frame, okay, it's like um that's changed from like being bearish, from making you lose, so now being bullish. This is like um a bullish which would no I use a bullish momentum. So like I entered for a buy around here, stop loss right here below this. I might take profits maybe all the way up here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is the first trade of the week. Then NZD USD. Um, okay, this one no trade. It did not respect that, so I'm out. UPJPY, um, out as well. This I don't like this. I prefer GBP NZD. So I'll keep you guys updated. Trade updates. Um, this trade actually went in my favor, and unfortunately, Yeah, I closed around here, this point here. I know I broke my trading plan. Why? Because I like to hold. I know this market is obviously going to this area right here, but I feel like this zone is going to be hard to like cross above, and I feel like there's going to be like a pullback because this is end of New York session. Time right now is around 5:36 p.m. So I feel like there's going to be like a little bit pullback, something like this. You get, so, and I don't want to wait for the pullback, so I just closed and I used like a significant amount for the challenge. Like I entered with a big, lot size, so I made like a pretty good amount here. I made $85 right here from this trade. So I mean, it's okay, but I know I could have made more because my trading plan, you have to like, you know, see the profitable trade all through. I know this is coming here, but it is what it is. I don't want to wait for the pullback. I don't want to wait for the pullback during Asian session. So I just closed. Plus, there's a zone right here, and this might act as a resistance. So I said to just close. Okay. So that's the trade updates. One trade, one um good trade actually. No drawdown at all, which is nice. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Um, this is Wednesday, 9:12 a.m. So let's check our trade updates. USDCHF didn't retest that, so never got in. Yeah, I just wished it touched here, but it's what it is. Let's move on to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, I might be looking to enter this trade like in the next 1 hour, 2 hours, because I like the setup right now. From the previous days I wanted it to come here and have this retest, then obviously go up. I think it's having that now on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's having that pull, then it's retesting here and it's giving me clear this trend line on the 15 minutes. It's giving me that confirmation I want. So this trade is, I just need to see more rejections from here, and I want the 4 hour candle to close, if I'm being honest. If it can close like this, then the next 4 hour candle is going to, push up to the side. So I'm just waiting for the next 4 hour candle to close, which is 46 minutes left. So I might be entering this anytime soon. Okay. Then next, GBPNZ did one I entered yesterday. This um had the push, had a little bit of retracement, and it's coming back up. I want this to come here. If I'm interested in this, if it can come all the way down here, then I'll take this to buy. Because you should know that this is still an uptrend here. So I'll be looking to take this to the higher side. Euro GPY looking good. NZD USD on the 4 hours, it's having a bit of a reaction here. I just needed to break under this zone retest, then I think it's still going to sell. Then the last pair, GBP JPY, is going up as well, but I'm not interested in this. Okay, so the two pairs I'm interested in at the moment is Euro JPY and GBP NZD. If it can come back to the zone, okay, I'll keep you updated. Okay, trade updates. It's currently 11:45 a.m. Wednesday. So let's just look at the charts. I'm just getting back from class actually, and very bad news. I did not enter this trade, Euro JPY. I was away. Immediately I recorded that last video, I had to prepare to go to school. Okay, and this hurts me so bad because immediately I I was like, let me just see more reactions here, and then I had to prepare to go to class. I'm just getting back, and yeah, the trade is gone. I can't do anything. It is gone. So yeah, it sucks, but it happened. Okay. I knew if this 4 hour close like this, the next 4 hours is going to be, bullish as well, but it's what it is. GBNZD, it's pulling back to the area I wanted it to. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame. Um, I wanted to come back here. It's actually doing that. So if it comes all the way down here and I see reactions, I'm taking it by. I'm going to be active for this because I'm done with my class and I'm going to be around. Okay. So yeah, I'm optimistic about this. Then NZD USD still playing around that area. So and GBP JPY nothing really. So just these two, Euro JPY, I missed it, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. Trade updates. The time right now is 4:16 Wednesday, 4:16 p.m. Okay. Now USD CHF still there. I'm not interested in this pair for the week. Okay. Now Euro GPY. This pair absolutely smashed it, and it sucks so bad that I didn't enter this trade because I actually called it all through the week that it was meant to come here and have a reaction here and move up. But I'm not mad, like it's Forex obviously, and things like this are meant to happen. So yeah, if I was in this trade, I would have taken most profits here, if I'm being honest. Because this is a sweet 1:2. Okay. So by now I would have been done. Okay. EBNZD, it didn't come back to that point I wanted it to, and it's just consolidating. And yeah, I'm not feeling it anymore. I'm not just feeling it. So I think I'm done with the week. Actually, I'm done with this week, and yeah, I was able to turn the $111 into, I think, um, um like 190 something dollars, because I made $85 from GBP NZD alone. I made $85 from this move here. So I think that's okay, and we'll continue next week. Alright, tomorrow, like I don't think this I'll be waiting for this because I'm not feeling it anymore. Okay, so this is all for the week. And yeah, I don't like trading on Fridays too. So I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Time I trade on Fridays if I see like um a quick entrance you get, and I just take it ASAP. Give BGPY, I also predicted it was going to come to this point here and move up. But I do not like this setup. I prefer other setup more. But this still went in our favor. So that's all for the week, and hopefully we continue next week with our profit. That's $85. Alright. Welcome back. This is Thursday evening. I guess the time is 7:59. Okay, 7:59. Alright. Let's just look at the trades. USDCHF didn't have that pullback. No trade. Euro GPY um no got to the area, had a bit of a pullback, and just playing around this area. Then yeah, GPNZD. Now this is looking techy because if this 4 hours close like this, assuming this 4 hour was like in the um London session and close like this, trust me, this bill was going to drop. Forget about it being an uptrend, and obviously you're not supposed to trade um when like outside the trend you get. But assuming this 4 hour candle was showing in the London session, I'll just wait for it to close, then look for it, go to the 15 minutes, and look for my entry and take a short sell maybe from this point right here. My stop loss should be here, then take profit here. Short sell, but I'm not even interested in this at all because I'm done with my trade for this week. I try as much as possible to trade 2 times maximum 2 times a week. And yes, I didn't enter this Euro JPY, but it happens. So depends in the it was okay, but I feel like it has been making rejections from this zone. It's pushed here, couldn't break it, pushed here. I've seen rejections on the fall. I've seen one, two, three, four weeks rejecting this zone. So like the buyers are fed up at this point and the sellers are kicking in. But yeah, I'm not even trying to take the trade. So this will be the last trade of me for the week. So NZDUSD didn't come back, so no trade obviously, and GBP just I wasn't interested, but it went on. I prefer other trades. So this has come to the end of the week, and yeah, we did pretty nice this week, and hopefully we continue doing better next week.
Yeah, I believe this week was a very good week and we tried our best. Unfortunately, we were just able to enter into one trade, and I believe next week will be better. And this headway challenge is just like a 1 week thing. So, as I've gotten my $85, what should happen is I will get that $85 and I'll use it to trade, and the money I get from that will be my own money. So, hopefully, fingers crossed, and I hope I get the $85. Okay, so I just don't want to leave this video with that. I want to like give an advice. So the advice I'm about to share with you is something I've developed like throughout my journey. I've been trading Forex since like ending of 2021, and surprisingly 2022, I think throughout 2022 I was more of a swing trader. Okay, I used to love that Willis is like the best trader, swing trader. So I used to watch his YouTube videos. I used to put in efforts. I used to follow him. Any video he drops, then I would watch it and follow it accordingly. But I found out that that is not what I like. Personally, I like to be in the market. Like I like to trade. I like to be active in the market day by day. Okay, and that Willis, he was like a swing trader. Like he would take trades maybe 2 times a month. So I feel like more this is not me. Like then when I was even watching him swing, like when I was watching the swing strategy, the top down analysis as he calls it, I used to look at the charts for like a week and I'll never look at it, then I'll check the next week. It was not me. So I decided like okay, if this is not me, what is like my own strategy? What is my trading plan? And then I found out that I like to be active in the market. So I decided to give day trading a try. Okay. So basically I like to be active as I said earlier. And yeah, I started developing love for intraday trading. Those are trades that you can have within a day and 2 days. Okay, so I I loved it actually because I got to be in the market and I was there. So like the advice I'm giving to you is do what works for you. For real. There are a lot of people that are swing traders. They love swinging, like they don't have time for the markets, but they are busy day trading or scalping. It's not going to work. Like there are so many mentors that are different from you. Okay, just find the one that works for you. Like the thing, I wasted a lot of time. I wasted like 2020 to learn how to swing. Meanwhile, I knew like I was going to be like an intraday trader. So yeah, 2020 I was just learning that was really strategy and oh well, I don't think it's a waste because no knowledge is a waste, but I feel like day trading or intraday trading is my main goal. So I'll just leave you all with this, and hopefully if this video get up to 50 likes, I'm going to drop my trading plan. As you all know, I don't trade on Mondays. Yes, and I take maximum of 2 trades per week. So I'm going to drop everything. If this video gets 50 likes, I know we can do it. Okay, and yeah, in the next video, if it gets 50 likes, I'll drop my trading plan, and hopefully this series will continue, and I will also share my journey from 2021, how it has been because I'm a student, and I'll just tell you everything about it. Okay, so please subscribe. It's going to help me a lot. Like the video, and thank you very much.